The Roland PSB-120 Power Supply delivers clean, stable current that keeps compatible keyboards and electronic instruments running reliably during long sessions or performances. Its wide input range from 100 to 240 volts alternating current makes it a dependable choice for both home studios and touring setups in different regions. The unit provides a solid 9-volt direct current output with ample current capacity, giving Roland gear the headroom it needs without strain or noticeable noise. Roland designed the connector polarity specifically for its instruments, so you can plug it in with confidence instead of worrying about damaging sensitive electronics. It conveniently replaces several earlier Roland adapters, simplifying life for players who own older keyboards or multiple devices that now can share a single modern power supply. The included cord is long enough for practical stage and studio layouts, reducing the need for extra extension cables and helping keep setups tidy.